Hi everyone, so I'm going to be trying to implement this daily programmer challenge in as many languages as possible within a 10-minute timer as dictated by the live split clock over here. So basically the challenge is you get two strings. The default strings that they give you are the ones to use in the example are nicol and dicolon. So you have to check if you can shift letters from string 1 from the start to the end or from the end to the start and see if any permutation of those shifting letters can produce string 2. The method I'm going to be using to do this is I'm just going to be duplicating string 1 by concatenating it to itself in most of these languages. And that'll basically allow me to test all possible configs by basically just duplicating string 1 and checking if string 2 is in string 1, which is usually relatively straightforward. I will not generally have to write my own contains function myself. Usually they'll be provided, but let's just get started. I'll start with Python, and once the IDE loads in, I'll click start. Okay. Booting REPL. Ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. So we'll just start with s equals the first string, which they gave as nicol I, equals the second string, which they gave as I colon if s plus s I in print else print false. So basically this is just an implementation of that using the in keyword in Python. True, perfect, false. Okay, good. So let's go do this in JS. This should be fairly straightforward in JS. Let I if s plus s dot. I don't remember exactly what this function is. I think this is how you do it. Console.log. I think JavaScript can only log strings. Like it can't log booleans. Maybe it can. It should be able to. But I'll just use strings because they're good enough. Run. True. Okay. False. Great. So let's cheat a little bit. Scroll. I don't need to scroll. Find TypeScript, which is a strict superset of JavaScript, or a superset of JavaScript. And then I can just copy paste this and it'll work. Okay. Hi. Please. No. Come on. False. Okay, cool. This is ridiculous. This is so slow. True, okay. And that's technically 3 languages, so we're moving on. Let's do this in Go. Go is a nice language. fmt.print. Okay. Import strings. Oh, right. The editor does nothing for you because it hates you. S plus s. I didn't declare any of them. S equals that walrus equals thing in Go is just it declares it and sets it equal to it. So if you see colon equals, it's just var this equals that value. Oh right, I forgot Go does curly braces. That's not very nice. fmt dot print line. There we go. True. Let's just go with strings instead of booleans, because Sometimes these languages take issue with printing booleans. It's not that they can't, it's just that they sometimes have like a really weird way that they like to do it instead of doing it normally, I think. I don't know, I've had issues with this before. Please don't take forever. Okay, cool. Import and not use strings. Okay, of course. Why does importing a thing that you don't use throw an error? Who thought that was a good idea? That's technically a fourth language. Not technically. That is a fourth language. Wow, I don't know any of these. Really should. Okay, nim. I can basically copy my Python thing here. Var s equals what? Colon if I n s and s. I forgot how you print. Echo. False. There's also std.write line. Come on. What's the issue? Oh, I didn't. No problem. This should work. Okay, there we go. Fifth language. About 6 minutes in. That's pretty good. Julia. Never used Julia. Never used Ruby. Wow, I don't know these. String s equals call. I forgot. No, I don't think I ever knew how you do contains in Java. So let's look that up. If string is in string Java. That looks correct. String.contains. What is this? Okay, cool. S plus S contains I system.out. It's way too verbose. This is why I don't like Java. So many words to say print or in echo. What is this now? Print line false. There we go. Oh, I forgot my frickin' semicolon. This is way too slow. I'm just gonna use Java online thing. This might be slower. Execute. At least one public class is required in main file. What? Oh, don't do that to me. Did I forget a bracket somewhere? Doesn't look like it. This would be language 5 if I get it to work. Hi. Okay, cool. Rust, let's go. Fed main. Oh, cool, it already comes with all this. Nice. I forgot. Pretty sure Rust has strings. Also pretty sure Rust requires semicolons. Format. This is so dumb. Nope, that's not what I wanted to do. No. Check. String Rust. This should not be hard. Why does this not return Google results? There we go. There we go. What's the way to do this? If contains. Okay, cool. Where is this? Yeah, get up. Stop prompting me. Dot contains I. Been a while since I've used Rust. Print line macro. True. Else. Print line macro. False. I don't know if this will compile. I am in fact several million. Oh wow, it compiled. And that's it. I'm gonna end it with 20 seconds to spare because there's no point attempting another language with only 20 seconds left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I also technically did, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I also technically did TypeScript. Oh, 6, nim. And then I did TypeScript, which you can count if you want. So it's either 6 or 7, depending on whether you want to count TypeScript. Because I literally just copy-pasted the JavaScript code, which compiled, to be clear, because TypeScript's a strict superset, whatever. So it did compile. It is valid TypeScript, even though it's maybe not the idiomatic way to do it in TypeScript. It definitely did compile, so I am ready to count it because it's technically another language, but you don't have to. This is a fun challenge. You guys should try this on your own, and thank you for watching.